Alright y'all, so let's go ahead and unbox this package. I'm so excited. It really be feeling like Christmas every week in my room with these unboxings. Like, I be having so much fun. Alright, oh yes, and it's from Alipearl, y'all. Look how pretty this is. Look at the quality of this, y'all. Look at this. I don't even want to take this off, it's so pretty. I don't want to mess it up because I'm gonna put that back on, y'all. That's so cute. Y'all are unboxing this with me, so. Okay, so first thing we see is the wig, and the wig is already looking good. Ooh, y'all, look at the goodies. Let's start with the goodies first. So Alipearl gave us some lashes. Y'all see? Wait a minute. Because these are actually cute. No, y'all, those are some cute lashes. And they gave me an HD wig cap. And then, of course, a edge brush. And then look at this, y'all. That is so cute. Look at the branding. I like how everything is like the same and on brand. And what is this? They gave me something a little extra. I never got whatever this is. Is this a headband? So this is like, I'm assuming a headband for your edges. Oh my god, and it's silk. This is so stinking cute. And look how it's like also like the little silver glitter. Okay, and last thing in the bag is, and this is super cute as well. It has little silver words on it. I just love doing these unboxings, y'all. Like, I really be feeling like they just package this gift just for me. That's so fab. Like I said, I don't know what kind of wigs these companies are producing this summer, but these wigs have been off the chain. Like, all these wigs have been off the chain. Like, it don't make sense how good these wigs are. This is 24 inches supposedly, and it's giving 30 inches. Like, I don't know what kind of wigs y'all making, but y'all are doing a great job. Keep it up. It's just branded so nicely. Oh yeah, this wig is a full frontal wig. It is a full frontal, 13 inches wide, 4 inches deep all around. And there's also a band in the back of it for you, as well as these adjustable straps. And the hair is super soft. Ooh, and it's thick, y'all. I can tell that this is definitely pre-plucked. Look at the hairline. Look at that. So because of that, I really don't even want to pluck it anymore because it looks fine like that. And the knots in the front are visibly smaller than the ones that are a little bit further back. So y'all stay tuned for the install. So like I mentioned before, this wig came pre-plucked and the knots were super small. So this wig did not need much prep at all. Amen. That saved me a lot of time. So thank you, Alipearl. Typically, I wouldn't come on here putting on a wig that hadn't been bleached or plucked. But like I showed in the unboxing, the hairline on this wig is already amazing. There was no plucking required, surprisingly, and the knots were super small. So I did end up bleaching the knots out of personal preference. But honestly, you could have put the wig on straight out the box and just put a little bit of makeup on the lace and it would have been fine because the knots were so small. 10 out of 10. So after putting makeup on the lace and cutting off the extra lace on the sides, I'm just parting out my side part right here and hot combing it to get it flat. And then I part out my baby hairs and my sideburns. And once that's done, I take my alcohol and a cotton ball and rub it all over my hairline and make sure to remove all the makeup, all the oil, all the dirt, so that the lace can actually stick properly. And I'm using my Even Wonder Lace Bond spray to spray all over my hairline, and I let it get tacky, and then I lay the lace back on there. And right here, I'm just using my brush to push my lace into my skin and make sure that it's sticking and laying down. And once that's done, we're putting on a melting band. Y'all, this melting band is like snug. Girl, this melting band is tight, okay? And you know what? I like that. I like that this band got a little bit of snap to it. Like, you know, when I take off this melting band, it's gonna be melted. You don't have no other choice, as tight as this thing is. So while this melts, we're just gonna go in, first of all, cut these baby hairs out of our face. And we're gonna go in and define these curls. Y'all know how I do. Water, a little bit of mousse, and I might use a little bit of curling product. You just comb this first. I actually meant to do that first before I sprayed it, but it's okay. Just to help this lay a little bit flatter. Same thing to this side, on this side.
Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey.
Alright, so now that we've defined our curls and we had our band on for a minute, I'm gonna go ahead and cut off this lace and lay our baby hairs down and then put the band on again. This band is tight in the best way, y'all. Okay, y'all, look at the hairline. I just can't believe that this wig is pre-plucked and it's plucked so good, y'all. Like, honestly, I usually feel the need to pluck all my wigs, but this right here is plucked to perfection. So I'm just gonna go in now, cut off this lace. I can almost not even see where the lace is, y'all. Talk about an HD lace, for real. This is HD. I know a good lace when I see a good lace, and this is some good lace. Y'all, that lace is almost invisible. Y'all, that lace is invisible. Y'all can't even see it from back here. Unless I get... Are you kidding me? Like, that is a good lace. What? Even though it doesn't really need too much. Okay, go in with this all around my hairline to help melt it more. This is a beautiful wig, like, oh my god. This is freaking wow. This wig right here is everything right now. Alright, so I'm going to actually spray a little bit of this before I put the band back on top of that melting spray. And y'all just see, this lace is going to melt away. Even though the lace is already melting away, it's really gonna melt away. So y'all, the hair is still drying. I've been waiting for a little while, but I'm just gonna continue to wait for the hair to dry. It's almost dry, but I am gonna take the band off now because, like I said, the band is really tight and it's hurting my head. So ooh. And look at the melt, okay? Like, look at the melt on this. I had to clean up that right there, but look at this scalp. Literally scalp, y'all. That's crazy. You're kidding me. The fact that this hair is still wet in a lot of parts, like, I'm sure y'all can look at it and tell that the hair is still kind of wet and it's already this full. So I've been like up waiting for the hair to dry, and I just want to see how full it's gonna get. But y'all, this hair is already so full and I've been waiting a long time. So I just wanted to show y'all this final look, and this is what it's looking like. Full frontal. I love the fact that it's a full frontal. I'll probably switch it over to a middle part tomorrow, but y'all know I tend to do my classic side part, and this turned out so cute.